In this video, I will show you how to add a product search bar in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. In order to add a product search bar, go to add element, then select this product search element and move it right here. You can resize it simply just like that. You can also edit this search bar by clicking on edit search. As you can see, you can edit the placeholder text. For example, enter your keyword, for example. You can also edit the text of no results. You can also play with the style of the field color, for example like this. Let's keep it in white. The text and icon color, you can also edit it. You can also change the text font. For the border colors, you can go with a color, and the corner radius. For the animation, you can add an animation just like that. And don't forget to update your website. And this is how to add a product search bar in Hostinger website.